Philippines!
Hello guys! So ngayon guys, ang agenda po natin ngayon, yun kasi Saturday ngayon. And then bukas, it is Sunday. So when it's Sunday, because po, pupunta dito yung pinsan niya at saka kapatid si Hi.
Hi.
So, Tammy's agenda today is going another shopping guys because there's people coming here. The cousin and the sister. And of course, kitang-kita yung didi ni Mister. Kasi always never lack this one. And then the didi is mine. Malaki pa didi. Malaki. Sige na, let's go. So, samahan natin si Mister. Kasi yun yung ano niya. Always like shopping. Never ending shopping for him. So, and oh my god guys, he told me inside guys, be ready. I'm just gonna tell you now. What did you tell me? Because you are hard-head?
They sent out a thing to my email saying they got ribeye steaks on sale for $6.99 a pound. So if they have them, I'm gonna get a few.
So he told me ahead of time that I won't be bitching over there.
Well, she will anyway, but I figured this way she can't say, well, you didn't tell me, you were just sneaking.
You are sneaking all the time.
I ain't sneaking nothing.
Okay, I'm leaving.
If they didn't send me an email and I saw them when they were on sale, I would get them. And you'd say I was sneaking. But since they sent it to me, I'm aware of it. So, why is your light on?
He always buys something that is not in the plan. And now we're gonna spend another crazy. You know why I act like this, guys? Because if you're here in our house, we don't have a space. There's no car. We don't have a space in our freezer. Nothing. I can't even put a finger in there. On your seatbelt. And did you notice something? He shaved. Smile. Okay, ngayon, nandito na tayo. Susundan na natin si Mister kung anong mabibili niya. Oh, ang ginaw dito, kaloka. Is that what it is? How much? Yeah, but you're blocking the whole way. Ano siya? How much is each in that thing?
$9.
Oh my goodness, that's it, hun. Huh? That's it, okay?
Yeah.
I don't like the meat. It's gonna be a tough kind of meat. There's no much like line up.
Want to look at $3?
That's better, oh.
That one, so take that one.
Just one.
You want to trade?
This one. Okay, that's it. It's nice too. Banana again. Can you mix it with the spring mix?
Yeah.
That's good.
Best they got.
Arugula. Baby arugula. Do the baby arugula. It's nice. Okay. Oh, no, don't get so big. Get this one. Okay, right here. Give it to me. Tomato. Like you don't have pasta? It's empty, guys. What's going on over here? Look. Tommy, I'm hungry. Hurry up. I'm starving. Yun na siya, guys. Hanap na naman siya ng chips. Kasi kailangan niya ng salty pang pataba. Nakalimutan kong kumain, guys. So ngayon, guys, gutom na ako. Kahit paglakad, hindi ko na kaya. Tignan nyo. Sabi niya, bili daw ako ng napkin. Tingnan niya. Gusto niya bibili ako ng I want pizza, not napkin, okay? We have in the house.
You got paper plates?
Yes, we get. Nag-out na kami sa grocery. Gutom na gutom ako. And then itong cashier sabi pa, move your cart. Wala yun talaga ako sa mood, guys. Binigyan ko talaga sila ng mukha na hindi masaya. Kasi sinabihan ako, move your cart, na okay naman kami. And then itong babae sa likuran ko, pinupush ako ng madali ba, parang nafe-feel ko minamadali niya ako, dikit siya ng dikit sa cart ko. And then kailangan i-move ko yung cart. At saka anyway, so yun, wala ako sa mood. Kaya sabi ko, wag nyo akong anuhin ngayon kasi na. Masarap siya guys, look. It's a buffalo and blue cheese flavored. Masarap siya. Gutom na kasi ako eh. So guys, naghanap si Tami ng apple pie and then meron ditong fresh, ano yun, market. Fresh market dito oh. So, hanap lang siyang apple pie, tignan lang niya. So guys, andito na kami. Nag-add na naman si Tami ng banana. Ito yung problema namin guys. Banana, prutas, hindi nakain. But anyway, makain yan guys. So, ang dami niyang binili. Bumili siya ng malalaking nito. Iwan ko na lang talaga. Maganda talaga ba din magpadala sa Pilipinas mga ganito. Ipadala ko man ito sa Pilipinas ba. Ito mamaya na ito. Mga pang-snacks ito pagdating nila dito bukas. And aalis na naman kami. Kasi magpunta kami sa another tindahan na naman. Oh, kasi walang apple. Anong tawag nun? Apple pie. Kasi para pang dessert, gano'n, meron tayong makain mabigay. Pero yun nabili ni Mr. So, and, so yan. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Mama will be right back, okay? I will be right back. Opening this table, like yung parang wala siyang cover. Pero yun, i-open lang namin siya without cover para ma-enjoy namin yung look. Pero kapag may kakain dito, we're gonna put the cover because ayaw namin maging masira ito. Kasi, you know, old na siya. Saka hindi pwede siya may tubig yung ilinis. Kaya kailangan wood here, liquid. Para masaya. So, yun. Maganda naman siya, guys. It's a nice wood. So, naisip ko, i-enjoy natin habang buhay pa tayo, palagi nang naka-cover since forever. So, plus, kapag yung light is on pa, magre-reflect yung niya, shine ng wood. So, yun. Pakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos, guys, ha. So, yun. Finally, open na siya. Look, maganda, guys. Look how pretty is that. Love. I love the table. Ay, relax muna tayo dito with Tamimoy kasi maganda yung panahon. Umagang kaiganda sa inyong lahat dito guys. Pero itong vlog na ito is i-end ko na to guys. Pero salamat pala. Meron pala akong katanungan guys. At saka meron akong ipakitang halaman mamaya kung anong dapat gawin kasi nalilito ako. At saka hindi ko talaga siya kilala na halaman. Anyway, yun si Mr. Ganyan yan siya kapag gusto niyang mag-relax, magkape sa labas. And maganda naman yung panahon so kaya nagtambay na lang ako dito sa labas guys. So yun, galing ako dyan sa swing, umalis ako kasi yan, gusto ko dito muna sa kabila. And yan, anyway, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin with Tamimoy na nag-grocery kasi ganyan yan siya guys, walang katapusang grocery. And meron po akong sa inyo tanong guys, paano po ito alagaan guys? Ang payat-payat na nito pala. Oh, look, tignan nyo. Ang payat at saka ang haba na humaba talaga siya guys. So, ano ba dapat? Tanggalin ito? Or kasi parang hindi siya masaya eh. Parang, di ba, dito masaya siya. Dito parang hindi siya masaya. Iwan ko na lang. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Nilabas ko siya kasi pangit sa loob. So, kaya, I think tanggalin ko siya and itanim ulit. Pero hindi ako sure. So, please give me, guys, kung expert kayo sa mga halaman. So, yun, kung kayo expert, so sabihan nyo. At saka, sabihan nyo ako kung anong gagawin. Kasi hindi ko ito kilala, guys. Look. Hindi ko kilala. So, alam ko naman kung paano itanim. Kailangan ba siyang putulin or ano. So let me know. So salamat guys. Salamat sa panonood. Bye.